This is part of the 28-mile trail system in Pine Ridge Estates in Beverly Hills, Florida. We're Central Florida on the Nature Coast, and I'm going to show you a new listing that's coming to market that has some really special features. So we're actually doing this tour backwards because I think the horse trail is really important to recognize, and if you're interested in understanding how the trail system works, I can send you a trail map and you can see where the trails run through the community. But it is a well manicured horse trail that you can just ride to your heart's content all day long. So one of the things you'll see on this 2.21 acre property is you've got a beautiful shed there for storage. It's got loft space, so very efficient use of the space in that shed. And then I want to show you to my left here as we walk along this kind of drive area is a parking pad for the RV. So it's got electric, water, and sewer right there at that parking pad. So if you have guests that have motorhomes or RVs, they will be very comfortable bringing their rig up to your house and putting it right there in the backyard. This is the backyard of the property. Again, it's 2.21 acres. And we have an additional workshop, man cave, she shed, whatever you would like it to be. This building can have so many functions. This is 400 square feet of space. It does have an air conditioner. It has its own electric panel, and you can see there's a nice half bath here for convenience as well. So this could be made into a nice little just kind of family area, game space. If you have horses, this could be an excellent tack room. You could install a washer and dryer and be able to take care of all of your horse gear separate from your house. All sorts of things you can do with this additional space. That is a block garage or workshop, block building. So that's awesome to have. You can see the yard is beautiful, lots of space. We've got sprinklers throughout, so you're all set there. A very nice screened-in porch. And if you wanted to add a pool, you certainly have the room, and it is set up to do that as well. So you'll see there's French doors going to the main living area. To my right side here is the master suite or the primary suite. To the left side is another mini suite. This house is really nicely designed for function with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths inside of the house. Again, you have the half bath there that we just looked at in the detached workshop. So as we come inside, you'll notice the Brazilian hardwood floors, beautiful, and this very nice double door entry for your foyer there, which lets very good light in. We've got the plantation shutters throughout on the windows. It makes it easy to close those windows off, and a nice formal dining area as well. So some really beautiful upgrades. Tall doors, bullnose corners. You've got this extra office space or den here off of the entry. High windows, lots of natural light. But the way that this house is set up right now, it has the bedrooms have blackout curtains, so they're very cozy and very warm and inviting feeling where you can really relax. This is the primary owner suite. So you can see it's lots of space here. We've got a whole sitting area. If you wanted to have a separate office over there, certainly there's plenty of space. The French doors again to the right that go out to the lanai. And then we have a hallway here with 2 different sets of closets. This walk-in closet is expansive, so lots of space there, and all of the storage, shelving, and hanging racks are very nice to be set up as conveniently as you would like. The bathroom has the jacuzzi tub, separate water closet, 2 sinks, and a nice walk-in shower, as well as a linen closet there. This house is truly move-in ready, so you can bring your things and just go to town here. And I love that you're able to have horses on this property. Again, 2.21 acres. Look at this kitchen. Lots of space to work. I would love to have this kitchen for my Thanksgiving and holiday meals, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Anytime I'm entertaining, there's plenty of space here. to spread out and serve people. On this side, we have a mini suite. One of the things that's so neat about this house is all the bedrooms are separate from one another. There's 3 different guest areas, and they all have pocket doors on them. So this one has its own private bathroom. We've got a linen closet as well. It's a nice size bedroom. It walks out to the lanai, so it has an entrance from the exterior. And with that pocket door, it really makes it a nice private little suite. So if you have in-law needs, this is one that would serve very, very well for that purpose. On the other side of the home, we have the other 2 bedrooms. So while these 2 are together with a bathroom, they are still set up with a pocket door right here, a bedroom to the left, a bedroom straight in front of me, and a bathroom to the right. So again, you have lots of privacy, and these bedrooms are very spacious. You're probably noticing that there are fans and lights in all the bedrooms, so you'll be very comfortable. This room has been used for some storage, but it functions very well as a nice spacious bedroom. Then we venture into the laundry room, which also has great storage, a nice laundry tub, and good laundry setup. The washer and dryer does not stay, but you have plenty of room for your own washer and dryer. So out here we have a huge 3-car garage. 3 cars plus extra storage space. It is almost 900 square feet of garage space, so plenty to work with here. You can see we've got central vacuum. You might have noticed that when we walked through the house. And 2 air conditioning units. There's attic storage space here, and I neglected to mention in the detached workshop there's also attic space above there as well. Tons of room to work with here. So great property. I'm going to take you out front now so you can see the view for the entry. Again, we did this backwards, but I was pretty excited to tell you about the horse trails. And this is our nice setup with a lovely driveway and a view of the front of the house. Side entry garage, very nice curb appeal on this home. Lots of extra parking on the driveway. So this again is Pine Ridge Estates. We are an equestrian community in Central Florida on the Nature Coast. And this is a great property that provides lots of space, the extra acreage, and really affords you a lot of opportunity. So if you're interested in more information or to schedule your private tour, please reach out to my team, RES Luxury Group with eXp Realty, 352-794-1426. And our motto is white glove service and red carpet treatment, because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call. We'd love to help you.